This video is about a free app that makes your internet safer and faster. Now this app is available for iOS and then Android phones. So this is an iOS device, so we'll quickly go to our app store and then we type the app name, which is 1.1.1. You can see it has already appeared, faster internet, so you click on it. So this is the app. So you quickly get the app. Yes, this is iOS, so it will come as get. So you get the app. I've already downloaded it, so I'll just have to open and then go straight forward. Now before I continue, make sure you subscribe to this channel and then hit the bell icon so you will receive notifications anytime we upload video on this channel. So you click on open. So this is the first page that appears after you click on open. So you can see disconnect and your internet is not private. Now this app is going to help your browse, your browsing and everything. It's going to keep it private. Hope you understand. It's going to keep it private. It's not going to share your information with other people or other stuff. So you quickly turn this on. Okay, so your internet is now private. So now with this app, it's going to speed up your internet connection. So let's quickly launch our YouTube and let's see how it goes. So you can see this is our YouTube. It has been launched. So it's going to make browsing very fast. So hope you can also, this is my channel I'm going through. Yes, so as I said earlier, the app is available for both Android and then iOS. The app's name is 1.1.1 faster internet. So quickly download this app and then just turn on the big power button, or what do we call this? Just turn on that button and that is all. You have your fast internet connection. Thank you for watching this video.